Welcome to our exploration of two contrasting approaches to healthcare: homeopathy and conventional medicine. In this video, we'll journey through a fictional story that highlights the differences between these methods, and then dive deeper into their philosophies, practices, and real-world implications. Whether you're curious about alternative therapies or want to better understand mainstream medical practices, this video will provide a comprehensive overview. Let's begin by setting the stage with a unique tale that illustrates the core differences between homeopathy and conventional medicine. Imagine a man whose job is to sit on tacks. He suffers constant pain, so he visits his regular doctor. The doctor prescribes pain medication, and over time, the dosage increases until the man no longer feels the pain. He becomes numb, barely aware of his discomfort or his job. This scenario sets up a classic example of how conventional medicine often addresses symptoms directly, sometimes without considering the root cause. The man's life becomes a blur, dominated by medication rather than meaningful change. When the man's doctor passes away, he seeks help from a new physician. This doctor takes a different approach, recognizing that the man's pain is caused by his unusual job. Instead of prescribing more medication, the new doctor suggests that he quit his job. This advice targets the underlying cause, but the man feels unable to make such a drastic change. He wanders, lost and desperate, unable to resolve his dilemma. This scene highlights how conventional medicine can sometimes address root causes, but change isn't always easy for patients. In his despair, the man visits a homeopath. The homeopath asks why he doesn't quit his job, and the man insists that he's irreplaceable. The homeopath realizes that the real issue is the man's belief that he must do this work. Instead of focusing solely on physical symptoms, the homeopath addresses the man's mindset and emotional state. He prescribes a remedy, promising it will cure his sore rear end. This approach illustrates homeopathy's focus on the whole person, including mental and emotional factors. After taking the homeopathic remedy, the man's outlook changes. He finally quits his job and finds a new vocation. At his follow-up appointment, he claims the remedy didn't work because he had to quit his job. The homeopath asks if his rear end still hurts, and the man replies that it doesn't. This outcome demonstrates how homeopathy can lead to profound changes by addressing deeper issues, not just physical symptoms. The story, though fictional, sets the stage for a broader discussion about the differences between homeopathy and conventional medicine. While the tale of the man sitting on tacks is fictional, it accurately contrasts the approaches of homeopathy and conventional medicine. No one truly has such a job, but the story mirrors real-life situations where patients undergo significant changes during homeopathic treatment. It's a reminder that healing can involve more than just physical relief. It can mean changing one's life circumstances and mindset. This reflection sets up our deeper dive into the philosophies and practices behind each medical approach. In modern America, over-medication is a widespread issue. Many people take large quantities of powerful prescription drugs for minor complaints and supplement these with over-the-counter medicines for every ache and pain. Homes are filled with high-potency vitamins and herbs as people try to counteract the effects of their medications. This scene highlights the cycle of medication and self-treatment that has become common, raising questions about the necessity and safety of such practices. Conventional physicians often know that they prescribe medicines which patients may not truly need. However, patients insist on receiving some form of medication, and powerful allopathic drugs are seen as the only acceptable option. This dynamic is driven by patient expectations and the limitations of conventional practice. It's a cycle where both doctors and patients contribute to the problem of over-medication, sometimes at the expense of genuine health. Aggressive marketing and patient ignorance are major causes of excessive over-the-counter medication use. People are led to believe they should never experience symptoms or discomfort. Many forget that symptoms are often the body's natural response to illness, not the illness itself. By constantly suppressing these responses, people may become progressively more ill over time. This scene emphasizes the importance of understanding symptoms as part of the healing process. The body's natural healing response is often suppressed by medications. Instead of allowing the body to recover, people take drugs to eliminate every symptom. Over time, this suppression can lead to worsening health as the body's ability to heal itself diminishes. Recognizing the value of natural responses is crucial for long-term wellness. This scene encourages viewers to reconsider their relationship with symptoms and healing. Homeopathy and conventional medicine differ fundamentally in their approaches. Accepting homeopathy doesn't mean rejecting conventional medicine. Conventional medicine is analytic, breaking down the body into organs, cells, and molecules to understand and treat disease at a micro level. Homeopathy is synthetic, focusing on the whole person and stimulating self-healing. Both approaches have value, but their perspectives and methods are distinct. Conventional medicine's analytic approach separates the whole into parts, focusing on organs, cells, and molecules. The goal is to understand disease at a biochemical or cellular level and correct it there. Homeopathy's synthetic approach combines parts to form a whole, viewing the patient holistically. The aim is to stimulate the self-healing mechanism by understanding the patient's overall response. The whole, in homeopathy, is greater than the sum of its parts. In practice, homeopathic patients rarely require medicine other than homeopathic remedies when ill. However, there are health problems for which homeopathic practitioners recommend conventional treatment. This scene explores how the theoretical differences between approaches translate into real-world healthcare decisions, and how practitioners balance both methods for optimal patient outcomes. Conventional care is essential for urgent medical problems that require immediate intervention to preserve life or limb. Examples include life-threatening infectious diseases, heart attacks, hypertensive crises, and similar emergencies. In these cases, conventional medicine is efficient and often life-saving. Homeopathy was historically used for such conditions, but today, allopathic treatment is more practical and effective for immediate threats. In the 19th century, homeopathy gained its reputation by successfully treating devastating epidemic diseases like cholera and typhoid. While these successes are notable, today's medical landscape favors conventional treatments for urgent and life-threatening conditions. This scene provides historical context for homeopathy's role and its evolution in modern healthcare. There isn't a strict list of diseases for which conventional treatment is recommended. Decisions depend on the patient, their disease, and their life situation. The recommendation for conventional care is made for surprisingly few patients, emphasizing the importance of individualized assessment. This scene explores the nuanced decision-making process in healthcare. Antibiotics are a strength of allopathic medicine, but their overuse has led to problems. Many patients find that the more antibiotics they take, the more they need, creating a vicious cycle. The immune system becomes less effective, and antibiotic resistance develops. This scene examines the consequences of antibiotic overuse and the emergence of superbugs microorganisms resistant to antibiotics. Patients who use homeopathy as their primary health care need antibiotics only occasionally, if at all. This represents a practical preventive solution to antibiotic resistance. Homeopathy also has potential value in treating infections caused by antibiotic-resistant organisms. This scene highlights how alternative approaches can help address modern medical challenges. The overuse of antibiotics may contribute to candida yeast overgrowth and associated fatigue syndromes. These issues are increasingly recognized as side effects of excessive medication. Homeopathy offers alternative strategies for prevention and treatment, focusing on restoring balance and supporting the body's natural defenses. Surgery is another conventional modality sometimes needed. Many medical and traumatic conditions are best treated surgically. Homeopathy has been used successfully to prevent some surgeries, but it cannot always replace surgical intervention when truly appropriate. This scene discusses the role of surgery and its relationship with alternative therapies. In cases of severe trauma, such as being run over by a truck, surgical care is clearly necessary. Homeopathy cannot replace conventional treatment in such emergencies. This scene underscores the importance of recognizing the limits of alternative therapies and the critical role of surgery in saving lives. For conditions like suspected appendicitis, homeopathic remedies may be started while the patient is on the way for surgical evaluation. Surprisingly, a significant number of cases resolve without surgery. This scene illustrates how homeopathy can complement conventional medicine, sometimes reducing the need for invasive procedures. Thousands of children receive tubes in their ears for recurrent infections. Personal experience suggests that only a few truly need this surgery if they receive homeopathic care. This scene discusses the potential for reducing unnecessary surgical interventions through alternative therapies. Surgery is often overused, especially in gynecological conditions where there is no urgency and the condition is not life-threatening. Procedures are performed without attempts at healing through less invasive means. This scene highlights the importance of evaluating the necessity of surgery and considering alternative options. Many conventional medications should not be abruptly discontinued when a patient decides to pursue homeopathic therapy. If a disease has been controlled with medication, it's unsafe to stop suddenly. Homeopathy can be started alongside conventional medicines, with gradual weaning as the patient recovers. This scene explains the importance of safe transitions between therapies. Asthma is a common example where conventional medications are used to control symptoms. Homeopathy can be started, and conventional drugs decreased as the patient responds. This scene illustrates how both approaches can work together, ensuring safety while exploring alternative treatments. There is no distinct boundary between homeopathy and conventional medicine. The interface depends on practitioner experience and patient desires. Most patients can be treated homeopathically, but conventional medicine and surgery are reserved for clear cases of need. This scene explores the gray area where both approaches overlap. The need for conventional medicine or surgery is not a failure. The heart of all healthcare forms is the welfare of the patient. This scene emphasizes that the ultimate goal is patient well-being, regardless of the method used. Both homeopathy and conventional medicine strive for the same outcome: health and healing. To summarize, conventional medicine focuses on analyzing and treating parts of the body, while homeopathy emphasizes synthesis and holistic healing. Both have strengths and limitations. The choice between them depends on the patient's needs, the condition, and the practitioner's expertise. This scene recaps the main differences and encourages thoughtful consideration when choosing a healthcare path. Empowering patients to make informed decisions is crucial. Understanding the differences between homeopathy and conventional medicine allows individuals to choose the best approach for their unique situation. This scene encourages viewers to seek knowledge, ask questions, and prioritize their own health and well-being. Holistic healing considers the physical, mental, and emotional aspects of health. Homeopathy's synthetic approach aims to stimulate the body's self-healing mechanisms, while conventional medicine targets specific symptoms and diseases. This scene explores the benefits of holistic care and the importance of treating the whole person. Suppressing symptoms with medication can sometimes hinder the body's natural healing response. Homeopathy encourages allowing symptoms to guide treatment, supporting the body's efforts to recover. This scene discusses the risks of symptom suppression and the value of listening to the body. Homeopathy's goal is to stimulate the self-healing mechanism within each patient. By understanding the patient as a whole, remedies are chosen to support recovery from within. Conventional medicine, in contrast, often intervenes directly to correct biochemical or cellular issues. This scene highlights the philosophy of self-healing and its practical application. Both homeopathy and conventional medicine can be patient-centered, but their methods differ. Homeopathy tailors remedies to the individual's overall response, while conventional medicine customizes treatments based on specific diagnoses. This scene explores the importance of personalized care in achieving the best outcomes. Every medical approach has its limits. Homeopathy may not suffice in emergencies or severe trauma, while conventional medicine can sometimes overlook holistic factors. Recognizing these limits helps practitioners and patients make informed choices, combining methods when necessary for optimal health. Homeopathy offers preventive solutions to issues like antibiotic resistance and unnecessary surgeries. By focusing on the whole person and supporting natural defenses, homeopathy can reduce the need for invasive treatments. This scene discusses the preventive potential of alternative therapies. Homeopathy and conventional medicine can complement each other. In some cases, remedies are used alongside conventional treatments, with gradual reduction of drugs as the patient improves. This scene explores how integrating both approaches can enhance patient outcomes and safety. The experience and expertise of practitioners play a crucial role in determining the best approach for each patient. Whether homeopathic or conventional, skilled practitioners assess individual needs and recommend appropriate treatments. This scene highlights the importance of professional guidance in healthcare. Patient desires and preferences influence treatment choices. Some patients prefer homeopathy, others conventional medicine, and many seek a combination. This scene discusses the role of patient autonomy and the importance of respecting individual choices in healthcare. Healthcare continues to evolve, with new treatments and philosophies emerging. Homeopathy and conventional medicine both adapt to changing needs and scientific discoveries. This scene explores the dynamic nature of healthcare and the importance of ongoing learning. Both homeopathy and conventional medicine have roots in science and tradition. Conventional medicine relies heavily on scientific research, while homeopathy draws from centuries of holistic practice. This scene discusses the balance between evidence-based medicine and traditional wisdom. The future of healthcare may involve greater integration of homeopathy and conventional medicine. As patients and practitioners seek the best outcomes, combining analytic and synthetic approaches could offer comprehensive solutions. This scene looks ahead to potential advancements and collaborations in medicine. Real-life patient stories illustrate the impact of both homeopathy and conventional medicine. Many patients make amazing changes during homeopathic treatment, while others benefit from conventional interventions. This scene shares examples of healing and transformation, emphasizing the diversity of healthcare experiences. Key takeaways from this exploration include the importance of understanding both homeopathy and conventional medicine, recognizing their strengths and limitations, and making informed choices. The welfare of the patient is always the central goal. This scene summarizes the main points and encourages viewers to reflect on their own healthcare decisions. As we conclude, remember that healthcare is a journey. Whether you choose homeopathy, conventional medicine, or a combination, the most important thing is to prioritize your health and well-being. Seek professional guidance, stay informed, and make choices that support your unique needs. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of homeopathy and conventional medicine.